Been fucking busy. You know, finally got my trucker's license, which I'm stoked. My wife, she had surgery again, and she's healing well. Surgery went well, but it's been busy, man. Printing a lot of shirts, did a bunch of events, dude. Made some money, had some fun. It was cool. Came up with a bunch of new designs. They sold really well, and just been trying to get my t-shirt business completely legit. It is. Next step is making a website, dude. So other than that, dude, working a lot and doing life, dude. So I've been pretty busy. My YouTube channel's on a slow crawl. Got like 161 subscribers now, which is pretty cool to me. You know, I've been getting a lot of comments and people keep telling me to do it, and so I'm just gonna keep doing it, dude, and have fun with it. But anyways, you know, the SDR18 build that I did, I tagged Skar in it on Instagram. And fuck, dude, I think I got like almost 16,000 views. Got a lot of attention on that build. Pretty cool. And then they put it on their website for a day, which I was pretty stoked on. Then the box I built for my wife, dude, I think got like 2,000 something views on Skar's page. And anyways, dude, this video, I got a couple subwoofers, some Skar audio shit, and I don't know if there's anybody out there like me when they're thinking about buying something. You know, they do a lot of research and watch videos on YouTube and all that other shit. So I'm gonna unbox these four subs and do the walk around side by side for you guys, I guess. I don't know, have some fun with it. I get excited when I got subwoofers, but it's late as fuck. I'm tired. I just want to do a video and play with some subwoofers, dude. Let's unbox some fucking subs. Why wouldn't that put a fucking smile on your face? Look at that shit. Fucking smile. Skar ZVX 8-inch dual 4 sub. This thing is a solid fucking monster. Skar DDX10 dual 4. This thing is a monster. Skar EVL12 dual 2. Thing is a beast too. This is the sub that's in my one of my videos. That's the other one over there. One of these days I'm gonna get to that. That's a blown Rockford H2 Power Series from like 2003. Thing's fucking savage too. Skar EVL 15 dual 4. This is my other 15 that's gonna be going in my car soon. I already have one in there, but I love these subs. So IX8, this is gonna be going in my cousin's car on a 4-inch Aeroport from Parts Express. Box will be around 2 cubic feet, tuned to 34 hertz. I'm gonna put it on an RP 1500, wired at 2 ohms. This thing is solid, dude. I can't even push this thing down, barely. But nice, solid, shiny copper fucking coil. Basket's solid. Lots of venting. Baskets bolted. Tinsels are sewn. Only thing is it's a small ass gauge. I don't even know what that is. What is it? 12? Anyways, big old shiny ass on it. $169.99. Dust cap's a little softy. DDX10. Dust cap's harder. Lots more movement. This thing's got like, we got dual tinsel leads in there. Some venting. It's got a big old fucking ass on it. Same size though as the EVX, man. Should have made these bigger. This is going in my wife's car. Also with the 4-inch arrow port from Parts Express. These are 2 separate builds I'll be doing soon. I will be making videos. Nice copper coil. Lots of venting. Big old shiny ass. I can't wait to hear these subs. Spiders bolted. Stiff as fuck. I think this thing was only $139.99. The quality of their subs for the price is unbeatable. Skar for the win. EVL. This thing's a lot looser. My buddy Daniel that gave me these beat the shit out of him. They survived his heavy bass knob hand, clipping the shit out of these. Lots of venting. These have the black aluminum fucking coils, whatever the hell they are. This is more like it. Tinsel leads are sewn on. Sorry it's so dark in my garage. But this doesn't have a shiny butt, but it's got a nice butt. I love these EVL subs, man. This is EVL 15 is basically the same setup as the 12, just bigger basket and so on and so forth. This has, is that 2 spacers or something? This sub hasn't been used yet. I love these things, man. I can't wait to put the other one in my car. This one in my car. So I got this build coming up in my car once my door pods are done. Wife's new car. It's going in a 2019 Kia Optima Sport. And this is going in a Honda Civic. hopefully that helps somebody. I'm not a pro, I don't know everything about a fucking subwoofer, but what I can tell you is that Skar Audio makes some solid fucking subwoofers that everybody can fucking afford, man. And I'm not hating on other companies. I just can't afford their shit. Wish I could. But what I can get for my money's worth with Skar Audio, I'm all about Skar, man. And a lot of people out there talk shit on them, which I don't understand. It's always somebody complaining about blowing something, or some Skar amp fucking went into protection mode, or everybody's talking shit on the RP series. I've been running my RP 2000 on my EVL 15 in my car for fucking 2 years now. At full tilt every day, 45 minutes to work, there and back, twice a day. I haven't had one fucking problem. But I don't push my audio equipment to the fullest. You know what I mean? I don't overpower my shit. I don't go 1 ohm because I really had a bad experience with it. For one, I had really no idea what I was doing. And I don't know, I go a couple hundred watts over the RMS power handling that's on the paperwork. And I tune my shit with SMD, DD1, and CC1, man. And I've had no problems. I love Skar Audio. If you're new and you're like checking out subwoofers and audio equipment, and you're reading all the comments about people talking shit about Skar Audio, I took a shot with it and I fucking love it. So if you want to bang and you're on a budget, dude, and this is where it's at for me, man. So dude, I can't wait to hear these subs, man. So basically it goes DDX series, and then the next step up is EVL, and then there's EVX series is like third top besides that DNR sub or whatever. But if you're checking out Skar Audio, go with it. Proper wire, proper electrical, proper wire, right amount of batteries, what your alternator can handle. If you do it right, Skar is worth it, man. That's all I gotta say. Hopefully this helps somebody. Stay tuned for these builds. Please subscribe, like, fucking hit the bell and all that happy horse shit, man. You guys have a good night. I'm gonna put this shit away. I'm gonna go curl up with my wife, dude. That's it.